Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Writing Automation Scripts. Today, we're going to be talking about fixed delays. So, what do I mean? What is a fixed delay? Well, in this new website, which is the same one that we've been using, here we have a new URL. In this case, when we refresh the page, it's going to wait 10 seconds before putting the quotes on the screen. So, should be any second. There we go. So all the quotes will appear. So what does that mean for our script? And before I run this, let me be clear. Our selectors have changed because it's a different website. Quotes is actually, I can show with Automize, or I guess we can just use a regular dev panel. This here is a quote class quote. So I'm just going to do this manually because it's pretty quick here and I already know the answer. This is text. And author is going to be dot author. So here's text, and then this says author. Okay. So when I go to run my script, all right, here's I guess okay. The browser just popped up and then immediately closed because there's no data, right? So oh no, where's our data? Okay. So the issue is we're not waiting the 10 seconds. Now there's two ways of doing this. The first is hard coding in a delay. The reason I'm okay with hard coding in a delay is because I know this, but you can see here it waits exactly 10 seconds before showing the data on the screen. So here's this delay in milliseconds. It says 10 seconds. So this would be useful for if, let's say, you're writing a test for a pop-up that says please pay to view this article or something, and you know that's going to happen exactly 30 seconds from the page to load or something like that. That's when I would employ this this method. Otherwise, if you don't know when it's going to happen, then that'll be the second one that we're going to go with. So also the nice thing about this is, let's say we change it from 10 seconds to 30 seconds, then our script will fail as it should, right? Because this changed, right? We want to know about that. Right, the other method would be don't hard code in the delay, and then the script will never fail. So it sort of just depends on your use case. So we're gonna add this line before we scrape the quotes, and what this does is just wait 11 seconds. Okay, so like I was mentioning just a second ago, the page is gonna load. It's gonna wait 10 seconds, and then put the quotes on the screen. 1 second later, we're going to read all the quotes and do what we did previously. So now if we run this, oops, sorry, I didn't save it. If we save it and then run it, here, it's going to open up our thing. So we're going to wait 10 seconds. And then 1 second later, our browser is going to close, right? Because it's going to have all the quote data. So just give a second here. 1 second. Okay, and if we go to the data, yep, sure enough, there it is, right? Here it all is. Nice. So that is the hard coding way of doing it, and this is okay, right? Because we know that it's always going to wait 10 seconds, so we know by 11 seconds the data will be there. But if it's a network request or something where we're not sure, that's where we're going to want to do a different method. The different method is going to be waiting for a specific one. So I'm going to do. Let's open up Automize here. And one way of doing this is we know it's going to put 10 elements on the screen. So why don't we just wait for the last one to show up? So this one, right? .nth. And let's just wait. I'll just wait by getting the text content of it. Or let's just get the inner text of it's fine. So we're going to copy that. And instead of waiting 11 seconds, we're just going to wait for, the 10th one to appear, right? And so this would be like wait for 10th quote to appear. Okay, so now when we run this, see, it's not immediately closing. It's waiting for that to appear. So, and then, it'll display the quotes and then immediately close because we're not waiting that extra second anymore. So did you see that? It's faster. And then just like before, our data is still here. Actually didn't change at all. So this would be good if you're like scraping a website and you don't care about the specific delay. You just want to get that data, right? So then I would just do something like this. Wait for the 10th one to appear. Okay, that must mean they're all there, and then scrape them like this. Otherwise, if I was actually testing this website, then I would check that delay inside of my test. So I hope that made sense. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have any video ideas or feature suggestions for Automize, be sure to leave them in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.